Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Polo client. Today we are going to learn manual execution with use lazy query. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So use lazy query is a perfect for the scenarios where you want to execute a query manually, typically in response to user actions like button clicks or the form submissions. Here's how you can use the useLazyQuery to manually execute a query and update the cache query results. So first of all, what we have to do, so you have to use the useLazyQuery over here, and this is get location functions, loading error and the data, right? So here I have created a button that is variables locations. So here I'm going to pass the variable that is this, else you can just call the get locations also. Okay, and when we try to save this, okay, so when I try to click on it, you can see that the network, it will call the API and fetch all the data. Okay, here you can see that. So manually, you, if you want to execute a query, so this is the method that you can execute that one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.